Yeah, my freedom has come. I got none.
Hello. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's your girl Sarah Shane, and I am back with another banger video. Yay! So guys, yes, as you can see from my face, I created this look. So if you want to see how I came about this look, this is the video. So before I will keep talking, you guys know me and talk. So before I keep talking, let's just go right into the video with that.
Hey guys, I'm starting this makeup look with my texture foundation, which is exactly my skin color. And before starting this, I already had my face prepped and primed before starting. So yeah, I'm just making use of my concealer in Phone, which is really lighter than my face because I wanted my face to pop. So I'm using this to highlight. It's also my LA Pro concealer. Guys, please excuse my voice. I'm with cold. I have cold and catarrh, so I've been really trying to manage. Anyways, I'm just applying it to all the parts of my face that needs to be highlighted. Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend. So for lighting my face, I'm making use of my Airspun loose face powder. I use it in setting. Like guys, this setting powder is really underrated. Like it does wonders, it does magic. You really need it. So I'm just setting parts of my face that I lighted earlier. So here is my classic makeup blush palette. I use it for a lot of things. I'm going to be using a shade from it to contour my nose and also contour my cheekbones, and also I'm going to make use of my LA Pride face definer to add more contour to my cheekbones, to just bring out that, you know, defined face. So I use both for my face defining. Point guys, I'm drawing my brows off the camera because it takes a lot of time. So here is my brows, tada, and I'm making use of this my concealer palette Ferrarusi. I'm just applying it on my lid and I'm going to blend downwards. If you notice, I don't do it just anyhow. Make sure you blend downwards to avoid any form of harsh lines or, you know, crack. So into my eyeshadow look, I'm making use of my Beauty by Glazed eyeshadow palette, and I'm making use of that shade, yes, that I touched. Yes, so guys, you can see that palette, the colors in it are magnificent. So I'm just setting my concealer, I'm setting my whole eyelid to avoid any form of creasing or cracks when I start to apply and every other thing. So make sure you guys set really well. So I'm starting off by making use of this pink shade, these two pink shades from my classic blush palette. I'm going to be applying it to my crease, exactly on my crease. And guys, I make use of my blush palette for a lot of things because the colors in it are really magnificent, and you know, you gotta be creative. So here is my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to be making use of that light shade that I touched. I really can't remember the name on the palette, but anyways, that light shade, and I'm just using it to blend out any form of harsh lines on the initial color I put on my eyes. So I'm just blending out directly under my brows to just give it this light illusion. I'm just going back into my Beauty by Glazed palette, and I'm making use of that pink shade to intensify the color of my crease. Guys, intensity is key sometimes in your makeup, so I really love intensity, by the way. So I'm really trying to intensify the color of my crease, you know. So for cutting out my crease, I'm making use of that white shade from my Ferrari palette, and I'm just going to be, you know, cutting the crease. So I'm making use of that red shade, and I'll be applying it to the tip of my crease, the winged part of the crease. I really think this video is self-explanatory, but anyways, let me just keep explaining. So I'm applying it to the tip, just applying it, making use of the pink shade, continuing the transition like that, blending it into each other, just like that, guys. Just keep watching, you will enjoy it. Continuing this look by using the lemon. It's not really showing clearly here, but it's lemon. I'm applying that lemon. It has a shimmery feel to it, so I'm applying it to that part of my crease. Then also I'm going to be applying a blue shimmery part too. They are all like, they have shimmers in it, kind of matte, not really matte, but it has this shimmer look too. So I'm applying it to shimmery look to it. So I'm just applying it. Then the remaining part of the crease, the upper parts, I'm just applying the red and pink. I'm mixing them together, and I'm applying it to the remaining part just to blend out and give it like that kind of fade off illusion. Yes. So yeah, I'm done. I fixed my lashes off the camera, applied mascara just to bring out my lower lashes. I didn't want to apply color on the lashes, so yeah, I'm just applying more colors to my waterline, which is the orange pink kind of look. So that's what I'm doing here. And then yes, I'm using my Mega Impact, guys. This mascara is voluminous, guys. Like, even without makeup, when you apply it, it is bomb. So I'm just applying it to my lower lash line and my upper lashes, my lower lashes and my upper lashes. So yeah, guys, it's going so fast, and it looks like I'm talking too fast. As you can see, I'm blending off with powder, blending out all the setting powder. It looks like it's still setting, yeah. So before we finish, it's definitely going to look good. So yeah, I'm just using my blush. I used an orange shade, as you can see, from my same classic blush palette. This palette has suffered in my hand. So I'm just applying blush. So I'm just applying more glow, guys. Look at that glow. Oh my god, I'm just glowing up my face, you know. Shana Wale, you blind them with your glow, blind them haters with your glow. So I'm applying glow to my nose. Yeah, just glowing up everywhere. So over to the lippies. I'm making use of my Davis pencil in brown, and I'm lining my lips, just lining, nothing serious. Then here is my Uxia lippies in red. So I'm just lining my lips, the outline, trying to bring out the outline of my lips. Key use of the leftover white base from my Ferrucci concealer, and I'm just applying it to the middle of my lips, as you can see, and I'm just blending. I'll keep blending till I get the results that I want, And I'm setting my lippies with powder, just normal brown powder from my classic powder palette. It's not showing here, but it's for my classic powder palette. I'm just setting the lippies, and ta-da! Yeah, bling bling. That's the girl, that's the deal. You look yummy, baby.
I've come to the end of the video, babies, and I hate to admit it because that means I have to leave again, and I don't like to leave, you guys. This look is a banger. It's really, really sweet. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't hesitate. I don't know why you guys hesitate to drop in the likes. You like this video, no cap, just like the button, press it, it's there for you. So if you are yet to subscribe, I don't understand, just one-on-one, just tell me in the comment section, why are you yet to subscribe? You're watching my video, yes, subscribe and let us just join the family by subscribing. I'm begging now, okay? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you as you do so. And also, please hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on fun things like this. The bell notification is for you not to miss any of my videos. Once it's up, you get notified. So please click the bell notification, and also share this video. I know a lot of girls that you guys, just share this video. It's not going to cost you any harm. Even if you're a guy, a lot of girls, your girlfriends would like to do something like this, you like it, send them this video. What are you waiting for? Send it to them. Okay, to be serious, just share this video. I would really, really appreciate it if you share it on your social media handles. I'm always grateful, okay? So I'll be very, very grateful. God bless you as you do so. Shout out to Evelyn, my namesake. I have to do this shout out. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for your support. Girl, babe, I love you so much. Thank you. To people giving me morale, say you can do this, post. Eshe God, thank you so much. And it's because of you guys that I'm still motivated to keep shooting, and I hope I can actually keep up with this, you get. So catch you guys in my next video. I don't want to leave, I don't know why, but we gotta go, baby. Gotta go. Anyway, see you guys in my next video. Bye, I love you. And make sure guys you check me out on my Instagram page at Semra Shane. It's still the same handle, still the same name, Semra Shane. Check me out on Instagram, and I'm also on Trailer and TikTok. I don't really use my TikTok very much but someone was I should include it in my YouTube videos. They would like to check me out. So my TikTok handle is Semra Shane. Just check me out. You can see it. It's also on my social media handle. You're going to see it. My Instagram is there. So guys, make sure you check me out. I love you so much. Bye.